With the marble murrelet field season fast approaching, I once again return to the Oregon coast, ready to film new wandering adventures. First up, Bandon Beach on a day engulfed in thick ocean fog. There's something truly primal about the Pacific coast, weather-worn rocks having seen ages of erosion from the violence of the rain and tides. I'm often struck by the thought that the ocean is, in a profound way, home to us all. All life on this planet was born in its watery depths. Beauty in the great and small.
I really love the idea of beach art, putting these illustrations and these images and pictures on the beach floor as just a kind of ephemera, a very short moment of beauty that within a day will get washed away by the ocean waves, but still brought a smile to my face regardless. So it was pretty cool to see. I love that.
The Pacific Ocean holds a profound place in my heart, and it's such a privilege to bring its gifts from my camera into your eyes. When wandering the shore, you may find great surprises, like a barnacle-coated clam. Or mussel. I don't have internet right now, so I can't check. Secret hidden treasures that come and go at the whims of the tides. Next up, I went back to one of my favorite places on the South Coast, a place where the rainforest conceals an epic land of sand.
Well, I'm back at a dune field that I filmed a couple times before. This whole place is just so amazing. You step out of the rainforest, and then you're just surrounded by ocean dunes for at least 2 miles to the ocean. And because I'm here early, my goal is to hike this all the way down to the Pacific, film the ocean a bit, then turn around. So I should see a nice sampling of beautiful sand dunes on this little journey here.
Sand dunes, even those next to the verdant temperate jungle, are a harsh and barren place. It always amazes me to see any plants at all eke out their existence within them. Scattered through the dunes, islands of conifer.
I really do just kind of love this place. Going downhill, making sure I don't fall. It's just the improbability of it. This just kind of giant dune field right off of the rainforest. Just a little bit that way, and you're in that classic Oregon Pacific Northwest coastal rainforest, lush vegetation everywhere. and then you sneeze and all of a sudden you're surrounded by sand dunes. It's just so cool. It really is just such a mind-bogglingly beautiful place. And this time, I'm gonna follow it straight to the ocean. So it's gonna be kind of a fun way to explore a pretty amazing place and one of my favorite places in Southern Oregon.
In the dune fields, you can find hidden gems, pools of water that bring with it the gift of life. From the barren sands, a lush, watery garden. Beyond this garden, the ocean beckons once more. I have fun here. Oregon is a place that truly feels wild and has many hidden treasures to offer those who know where to search. The temperate rainforest is home to many. Beyond the overgrown trail, a new world waiting to be found. Creeks emptying from the trees and cascading as a waterfall into the ocean below.
Well, it's definitely not the kind of thing that I want to get all that close to, and it's too windy to do my standard dramatic backdrop walking shot. But man, what a beautiful spot. So windy. I'm watching my camera strap fly around. But there's a waterfall over here that drops down to the ocean. Just an incredible, incredible spot. I can go back onto the trail and then walk down to the beach to finish off the video.
As the trail leads to a long decommissioned road, you are gifted with a glimpse of the coastal wilds. Miles of untrammeled sand, where your footprints are the only footprints that can be found. And to top it off, a towering coastal mountain fortress with the falls close behind. Turn your head and bask bask in the wonder.
Choose between waterfall noise and wind noise, and the waterfall is a lot more beautiful, so we'll go with that. I really love these kinds of hidden pockets of Oregon. You know, these places where you go off the beaten path, find a trail that is hidden away from the highway, hike several miles, and you get on this corner of beach that leads to this beautiful waterfall, amazing Pacific Ocean rocks, astonishing cliffs above it that just remind you of, you know, something out like Jurassic Park or something. These just amazing titanic rocks overlooking the ocean. And it's just such a wild feeling place. But unlike a lot of the other places on the Oregon coast, there are no people here at all. You know, it's only my tracks that you'll see on this beach. There's just none of the garbage that I often see the Oregon beaches, none of the tire tracks. It just really truly feels like a wild place, and as you can tell, that just fills me with a great deal of joy.
The world is full of hidden gems waiting to be found by those who wander, and for those who cannot, I can only hope to bring some of their beauty to your screens. I was grateful to leave these prints in this place and listen to the beauty it offers, and can't wait for the next time I share these journeys. Until then, wander in wonder.